What's up, all you wonderful people? We are back into spring. We have nice weather to build a water feature with. I'm so excited to not have 10 layers on and freezing our buns off out here while we're trying to construct these great works of art here. We are starting on a pondless waterfall here. It's about 15 feet of stream. We have a little mini excavator here, so we're gonna have some cool rocks to work with. Nothing massive, as our access is a little bit tight getting back here. But we are working on getting things kind of prepped out as far as where our basin is going to go. Then we're going to go ahead and lay out our aqua blocks in our vault, get that installed. We had a little bit of a late start. We had our meeting this morning, and it's been just a little bit of a logistical nightmare trying to get all of our materials and everything back here. But we'll see where we can get to. Hopefully we'll get our reservoir all installed, so tomorrow we can start rocking on the stream, have this thing all finished up by Friday, and then we can go home happy and have a good weekend. We're gonna go ahead and do our reservoir down here. We have 5 large aqua blocks and a pump vault, and the stream is gonna start right around this area. We'll have a nice little drop coming down into here, work our way up, little meandering stream, cut back and forth across the grade, and somewhere right around that little stone out there, we will have our spillway that will start our stream. We're finishing things up here for today. We had some really rocky digging conditions, and we just kind of made do with what we could, but we did get all these rocks back over here, so that's a good start. We have our machine and everything all staged in place, and we were pretty well done with our excavation on this hole. We have a little bit of the fine tuning and getting the edges all shaped out tomorrow morning when we get back here. So little bit of a slow day, but we'll get back on track tomorrow and hopefully have this thing all wrapped up and running on Friday. So we'll see you in like 2 seconds. We're back at it. It is day 2. We have some awesome weather again today. We're gonna work on getting the rest of the excavation done here in this nice rocky hole we have back here. We'll go ahead and get our vault and aqua blocks installed, get our reservoir all constructed and concealed, and get this thing rocked in to where we can start working on the waterfall. We are finishing up here for today. There was a lot more rock inside that reservoir for the excavation than we thought there was going to be, but finally got it all taken care of. Everything is all in place down below. We're working on the stream now. We have some of our lights set. All of our liner is laid out in place. So tomorrow it is just a matter of getting the last upper part of the stream constructed, doing all of our cleanup, final touches, and getting this thing fired up. We're gonna go to bed now, go home, go to bed. I'm gonna get some sleep, some food, drink a beer, and I'm gonna come back with a fresh mind where I can actually think. I'll see you then. It's day 3, Friday. Time to get this thing all wrapped up. Have a fresh mind, and we've got fresh legs with the extra David here today. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing knocked out and fired up later on this afternoon, maybe evening. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna be a long day, so let's go ahead and jump to this thing and see what we can make happen here. We're wrapping up here finally. We have water running. Everything is all cleaned up. The guys are just finishing loading up the trucks and trailers. I'm gonna go ahead and spin you guys around here, show you all the drops on this waterfall, the landscape, the outcroppings, and everything around it that really just ties this thing in together and makes it really feel like it was part of the backyard and has been the entire time. If you really like what you're seeing here and you want to see more projects like this, remember to go ahead and subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, drop us a comment down below, and let us know what you think about these water features. We will see you guys on the next one. Yeah. We'll see if this works. I don't think it's gonna work. We got David's best side here. Woo! Hopefully these dogs stay quiet. Well, that about does it for us here, and I am drawing a blank. Let me start over again.